Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Harry, and today I'm taking you for a walk into Mau Forest. And as you can see, the route to that forest is very muddy. Yeah, this is how the road looks like, and we've got some maize on this other side, the forest on the other side. There you can see there is a river down there, and currently this area is receiving a lot of rainfall. As you can see, that's why the route is very muddy, and I hope you are really ready to enjoy. Yes, so we got to this river. This is the river that separates people's land and the forest, and this is a very big river here. It's a permanent river, and as you can see right now it's full to its bank, and this river is very dangerous. It has drawn a lot of people, like 50. Yeah. Trying to look for a bridge to cross over to the forest side, but unfortunately this river has swept all the bridges, and right now we've got no bridge. Yeah, look at how beautiful it is. This is one of the biggest indigenous forest on the indigenous treaty, and I hope we'll find one. So one of the things I know a lot of people are asking themselves about this forest or this river. This river has drawn a lot of people. It's a very dangerous river, especially during heavy rainfall right now. Like now, it is full to its banks. Like you can see, yeah. So people are so scared to come over to this side during heavy rainfall because this river is very dangerous. And if you can see, but unfortunately, I don't know if we can get a bridge to cross it over to the other side, but I hope we'll find it. Yeah, so this is it. And you know, people used to take when the river is not full, people take their livestock to the forest, to graze there. But right now the river is full, so there are no livestock being taken over there. Yeah. Yeah, the sounds here, you can listen to birds singing. Here we got all the calls of the nature. It's very natural. No noises from the city, no buses shouting out. Here it's just peace and nature alone. Yeah. I'm walking over here. There is a path. Yeah. We're trying to look for a bridge to cross it over to the forest, but I don't know if we can get one. Let's try our best. Yeah. So guys, after walking for like 20 minutes, we got a bridge, but you can't believe it. It's just a single log. You can imagine this is being used as a bridge here. It seems that there was a bridge here, but it got swept. Yeah, that's me. I decided to try and cross this bridge. Yeah, I tried, crossing it while I was standing, like walking on it, but I almost tumbled into the river. So I tried this other style and it worked. But the log is very shaky and it's very hard to maintain balance. And that's why I couldn't take my camera with me. And that is how we failed, to cross over to the other side. Though I crossed, but it was very hard for me to carry my camera, and that is how we gave up on, finding a bridge and crossing it to the other side, because this type of a bridge we have here, I cannot use it. Yeah. So as you can see, the bridge was swept. Now, this is what we have. Hey guys, we're going back. We got a bridge, but it was just a log, and it was a shaky log, so we couldn't risk. But maybe we'll try another day. Yeah. So as you can see, the environment. That is the forest right there. I'm really exhausted because we've been walking for like an hour, and I think now it's time to take a bath and head home. Yeah. See you guys.